chicken.
Oh, poor little guy. What's up, guys? My name's Nelson. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with
Little G.
Little G. Hey, we got the TST R002.
And now we're gonna test it.
I want to say one quick little thing. I don't like the name R0000002. I think it's like, I don't know, it just needs a better name. This thing is completely beast though. Everything from the 20-inch by 4-inch thick tires, piston caliper brakes that are amazing on it, the 450-pound weight capacity that this bike has. I do want to talk about some quick mods that we have done to it. The number one thing you can see are these mirrors right here. I'll put a link down to them. They're basically for safe. Black bag. This thing is cool. It carries our keys and our tools, and they have come in black out just about everything on the bike except for the tires. Remove the sticker. These right here, these are from Amazon, like $20 pegs, just for a normal bike.
And we're also not advertising.
Yes, we are. So this is what an adult 5'9", about 180 pounds looks like on this bike. Now this is going to be what an adult
And another person look like.
another little kid about 60 pounds looks like on this bike. I bet. Right now I have 133 miles on it. I am at 4 bars. Yesterday we rode about almost 10 miles. How G?
Yes, that's true.
We rode like 9.9 miles and I lost 1 bar. So the range on this is pretty good. 14, I do want you to keep in mind that I am 180 pounds. Little G is about 60 pounds, so together we're like 240 pounds. So there's 240 pounds on this bike. How does the bike feel?
It's good.
It feels really good. It's got front suspension, it's got rear suspension. You know, with this thing, it's got big old fat tires, you got nothing to worry about.
Yes, sir, we can. We can go off-roading any time we want, bro.
With this thing, we can go off-roading anytime we want. Look at his shoes.
What the
Remember the day we found a beer?
Oh yeah.
Tell me the story about the beer.
I cannot remember the story, but I think we found a beer.
The story about the beer. They were just riding around town, and it was just a...
I know.
Oh, it was the 4th of July.
Oh yeah, that was on the 4th of July.
Okay, so this park right here has pretty good bike lanes.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to go through here. We got 134 miles on it.
What the?
Half a mile. I'm going to put it through 5. I don't know if you guys can see the display. It's a really nice color display.
You want to know what's better than running?
What's better than running?
Bike riding.
Bike riding? Woo! Bike riding is the best. Alright, so let's see if we can hit. Let's see our top speed right now. We're at 18. 21, get down, get low. Get more aerodynamic.
Yeah. Stand up.
Stand up. That's going to slow us down. 23, I saw 23.
Yeah.
22.
Mamma mia. Ta-da. Ta-da.
23, I saw it. So,
Ta-da.
looks like max we're going to get is 23 today. Mostly because we do have 250 pounds on this bike.
Get out.
I did 28. I'm 180. And then our cousin Fabian, how much? He went 30. And he might have gone 32, I'm not sure. And he's like 100 pounds. All right, you guys ready to do some off-roading?
Wait, he is?
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, Fabian went 32.
All right, everybody. Anyway, this is about to get rumpy and bumpy and dusty, musty, crusty. There we go.
There we go. Oh, there's a lot of people here.
It barely even started. Barely even went through here. Yo. Yo. Oh, yes, sir.
go to the bunker.
Yes, sir.
Let's get these ducks real quick. Let's see how good this thing is at catching chickens.
These aren't chickens. These are ducks. They're ducks.
It's just really hard to put those two people. He's on the baby duck.
They're eating.
Like this guy, got this guy. Come on, I said, this guy right here. You ain't getting away, bro. You ain't getting away.
Unless he goes into the water.
You ain't getting away. Woo! Oh my God. There's no babies though. Look at the baby ducks.
I see some smaller ducks.
I see them.
They shake their
Very, very nice bite. Very, very agile. You see, take these turns, keep up with these little duckies.
I heard the mom and dad's ducks are basically hostile.
Oh yeah, they can be hostile. And man, these don't look like adult ducks. The other day we caught a little duck, huh? We were riding around.
I flopped him to second to last, and he did a backflip. Oh my God, that's a chicken!
Oh, poor little guy. Oh, it's a chicken. It's a chicken, man. It's so mean. Oh my goodness.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken. Woo.
Anyway, let's keep off-roading.
Off-roading, yeah. This
Some
bike
more.
off-roading is just so sick. So cool. I'm pretty sure I've done 20 off-roading.
I know you did. The last
Very,
time.
very stable.
This is a lot. Oh my
You
God.
love birds. That's the thing about an e-bike. There's so much like freedom. You can go like so many different places that you can't with a regular bike. You know? It's so funny. They want to hit that if they want to run us out of here.
They're gonna outrun us?
They probably can. They'll outfly us.
Oh, there's
A mother ducker?
no, a mother
Ah.
hissing.
Yeah. Oh, dude, there's so much ducks over there.
Oh, there's a baby one right there. Right there, the smaller ones.
Which one? Right here?
Smaller ones right there, yeah. That's small. What is that, bro?
That was so ugly.
Bro, it flew. Bro's superpower is just to fly across the yard. Eagle.
Alright,
Miguel.
so we do have also pedal assist. You see, she's just pedaling right here.
Miguel.
Oh, this thing is dead. It's kind of mean.
Gophers.
Hold on. Hold on, scream. Oh.
Anyway. It's breeding season.
What?
When breeding season starts, you know, there's a bunch of gopher holes.
Yeah.
When breeding season starts, there's a bunch of baby ducks.
Yeah.
And they're all super tiny.
Baby is coming.
That never gets old.
That was awesome.
Go off-roading.
More off-roading, so here's our brake check. And man, this thing stops. It's got good brakes.
I got better brakes.
You got better brakes?
Yeah. Oh God.
So good brakes, off-roads like a mother.
Fuck.
Whoa, relax, buddy.
We're gonna ride around the Donley Park for a bit, all day and night.
That was about 30 miles an hour, but you know, these are 200 pounds. So what we are right now.
240 or 50.
240 pounds.
Get up.
Pedal and also, this is actually 65 pounds. So this bike is 100% pedalable. So even if your battery dies, you can still pedal.
Ah.
It's awesome.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this guy's. That's a meme.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's on the sidewalk.
Get out. Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 vaca. Near. Yar, near, yar, near. What are we even doing here?
All right, so we just rode around town, rode around this park. We got duck poop all over our tires. Yo, come over here. What do you think about the top speed and how fast this bike is?
It's really good. I hope to get one someday or yeah.
One for you?
Yeah.
I know you're still on training wheels, but one day you'll get an e-bike, huh? Would you like Daddy to buy you one of these?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, what did you think? Come over here.
Who is this? Oh yeah, someone that made that.
Yeah. What did you think about the suspension on the bike going off-roading? What did you think about it?
It's good.
That's it? It's just good?
Right?
Was it awesome?
Awesome.
What do you think about the tires? Would you like smaller tires or bigger tires on this thing?
Big tires.
Big tires? You like the big tires?
I
What
like
about
the
braking
fat
on it? Braking.
Tires.
Oh, thumbs up? Okay, what
Really
about
good.
the lights? You like this big light or would you like a smaller light on there? You like this big light?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty bright. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's better in the dark.
It's better in the dark? Okay. What's your final thoughts? Should someone buy this bike for their kid or for themselves?
I say both.
Both for kids and adults? All right, guys, that's it. Words from Little G. Give me a high five. 100% someone should buy this bike. This thing is awesome.
Let's ride some more.
I can't wait to ride more. Let's do it. Give me a high five.